Hello and assalamualaikum guys, welcome to the part 2 of our operators tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to be learning about comparison operators and the logical operators. So let us get started. First of all, we have comparison operators. What does it mean? Basically it's going to compare two variables or two numbers and it will return you either true or false after it compares them. So the first thing is we have the equal operator. What is equal operator? If you come here and say echo, does 2 equal to 2? Yes, of course it is. So if we save this and refresh our browser, we'll see that it returns 1, means it is true that 2 equals 2. So when we use two equal signs, actually it means we are comparing the values. Okay, so if I say does 2 equal to 200, the single equal sign is the assignment operator, the double equal sign is checking the equality, and we also have the triple equal sign, but we will look at it after this. Let's save this and it should return false. That's why there should be nothing in here. Okay, now it's turned for triple equal sign. Well, triple equal sign is something like this. If I say does 1 equal to 1, the result will be true. So true. But if we check with triple equal sign, it will also check the data type. This is a string, this is an integer. They don't equal each other, so the result will be false. Simple as that. So this is our triple equal sign. After that we have the not equal sign. Well, does 1 not equal to 1? Well, if you are checking equality only, they equal 1, so answer will be nothing. But if we say does 2 not equal 1? Yes, this answer should be true because 2 doesn't equal 1. So 2 doesn't equal 1, the answer is true. Coming back, we have the not equal sign. Well, this is also not equal and this is also not equal. Same thing in here, you can use either of them. This not identical, well, not identical is easy to understand, right? Is 2 not identical to 1? Yes, of course. Or is 1 not identical to 1? Yes, of course, it is not identical. So the answer should be true. So if we refresh this, the answer is true because 1 is not identical to 1 because this is a string and this is an integer. Coming back, we have the greater than and less than sign. Pretty easy to understand. Is 2 greater than 1? Let's save this. Come here, refresh this. Yes, 2 is greater than 1. Is 2 less than 1? No, 2 is not less than 1. So answer will be false. Okay, so answer is false. Coming back, we have the greater than and equal to and less than equal to. Is 2 greater than or equal to 1? Well, 2 is 2 either greater or either equal to 1? Yes, one of these conditions is true because 2 is greater than 1. One condition is true, 2 is not equal to 1, so one condition is false. So if either of the conditions is true, the result will be 1. Similarly, if we check for less than, so the condition here will be false. It's neither equal to, neither less than 1. So if we check this, so answer is false. But if I put 1 in here, the answer will be true because the first condition or the equal condition is becoming true in here. Nothing bigger, right? Now we are going to be learning about the logical operators. These are the logical operators. We can either use the words or either use the symbols. So if both of the conditions are true, then the result will evaluate to true. If either of the condition is false, the result will evaluate to false. Let us save this. So in here, 1 is equal to 1, true. 2 is equal to 2. This is also true. So the result will be true. The result is true. But if either of the condition is false, let's save this now and come here. The result will be false. We can also use the symbol in here. Let us save this. Let us come back here, refresh this. We see that the result is same. We can use 1 in here to get true result. Come back, refresh. Working, right? Similarly, we can use If only one condition is true, the result will evaluate to true. One condition is true, both of the conditions are true. Now only one condition is true, so result is still on 1. But if both of the conditions are false, then the result will be false, obviously. Then we have the XOR. XOR means if even either of the condition is true, then it will evaluate to true. For example, 2 is equal to 2. So if I come here, refresh this, it will say, okay, it is true. But if both of the conditions are true, it will evaluate to false. Strange, right? It's false. The NOT sign is used in combination with other sign. So NOT will do what? If something is true, it will convert into false. For example, this is false, right? If I take the NOT of whole this, basically I'm telling it to inverse the result. Now if I come here and refresh this, the false will become true. Okay guys, that was all, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.